Welcome friend, today we are going to show you how to enable or disable motion photos on Android phone. Whether you want to capture a little extra moment or prefer regular still photos, this quick guide will walk you through the step. So let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the camera app. You can find it on your home screen or app drawer. Once you are in the camera menu, make sure to switch into the camera option. After that, look for the top menu bar. Here you can find the motion option. To turn it on, simply tap on this icon. After turning it on, you can capture any photo. Simply tap on the capture button and automatically capture it. However, if you decide to turn off motion option again, simply tap on the motion icon at the top again and turn it off. And that's it, how you can easily turn on or off motion photo on your phone. To view the capturing motion photos, simply return to your home screen, open the gallery app, then find the photo you want to capture. After open it and see it. Thanks for watching friend. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.